In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WhatsApp images to Google Photos. If you want to keep your WhatsApp pictures safe and make sure they're included in your Google Photos library, this process is quick and easy once you know where to look. Backing up these images can help you avoid losing important photos if you switch devices, clear storage, or accidentally delete files from your phone. To begin, open the Google Photos app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account where you want your WhatsApp images to be stored, since that's where the backup will be saved. Once you're inside the app, you're ready to adjust the backup settings. Next, go to your profile in Google Photos and tap Photo Settings. This is the main area where Google Photos lets you control how your images and videos are backed up from your device. If you've never explored these settings before, don't worry, everything you need is grouped together here. From there, tap Backup. This section manages whether your device content is being saved to Google Photos and what sources are included. If backup is turned off, you may need to enable it so your media can sync properly. After that, tap Default Backup. This option helps define which folders on your phone are automatically included in your Google Photos backup. By default, some folders may already be selected, but messaging app folders like WhatsApp aren't always backed up automatically, so it's worth checking manually. Now, select device folders. This is where you'll find media folders created by apps on your phone, including folders for screenshots, downloads, camera images, and messaging apps. The goal here is to tell Google Photos that you want it to include the folder used by WhatsApp. Finally, select WhatsApp and tap Save and Backup. Once you do that, Google Photos will start including your WhatsApp images in the backup process. Depending on how many images you have and your internet connection, the first backup may take a little time to complete. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi if you're backing up a large number of photos, especially if you want to avoid using mobile data. You may also want to keep your phone plugged in if the backup is large, since syncing lots of images can use extra battery. And that's it. Once this is enabled, your WhatsApp images will be backed up to Google Photos automatically going forward, making it much easier to keep your memories protected and accessible whenever you need them.